Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join any match that is joinable on the Fortnite game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Fortnite game on your device. And once you open up this game, you will see various different game modes that you can enjoy the Fortnite game with. Now, from these various different game modes, just tap on any game mode that you wish to play. And now you will be able to choose from ranked mode or non-ranked mode. Once you tap on this option, you also have the option to choose from solo, duo, trio or squad, depending on the type of match that you have selected. Now, if you choose the team fill option, then you will be able to join any game, even if you don't have the full squad size. So make sure that this mode is turned on, so that if enough players are not already within your team, then this will still fill up with a random player, so that your team is completed. After choosing your squad size, as well as your game mode, just tap on the play button and this will fill up your squad and start your game. You can also tap on the plus icons in order to invite various people from your friend list in order to join your squad. And once you tap on the play button, the countdown will begin and you will be connected to a server where a new game will be hosted. And now you can begin playing with your squad right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to join any game on the Fortnite public server. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.